Hi, my name is Brad Crowder. I'm the Automotive Technology instructor here at ICC. Our Automotive Technology program is a 2-year program. Students, upon successful completion, would attain an AAS degree, or Associate of Applied Science degree, also attain up to 18 industry-recognized credentials. Our program is nationally accredited through ASE Education Foundation. We're one of 5 programs in the state that hold that certification. Our facilities are second to none in the state. We have the latest technology, we have some of the best equipment, and late model vehicle trainers. So students that go through our program will attain the skills needed to be entry-level technicians. They'll learn how to diagnose, repair, and service all different vehicle systems on several different types of vehicles, also different makes of vehicles from past to present. So the methods of delivery in our training include, of course, lecture. We have a lot of web-based training. We have several training simulators that we do training on. And ultimately, we do a lot of work on live vehicles, such as this new hybrid Corolla. Job potential is great right now. There's a shortage of technicians all across the United States. Some of the related careers are lube technician, service advisors, automotive assembly plant workers, even own your own business. There's so many jobs out there, careers that you could potentially become a part of and be extremely successful. Salaries range anywhere from, on a lube technician, you're looking at probably around $23,000 a year, up to an experienced automotive technician would earn somewhere around $60,000 a year on average. We do have students out there now, or graduates that have gone into the industry with some years of experience under their belt now, earning as much as $100,000 or more per year. The type of student that we're looking for to go through this program would be students that honestly are willing to learn. Our industry is ever-changing. Cars change every year with new technology, new systems that need to be that you need to learn about and be able to diagnose and repair them properly. We're looking for students that are good analytical thinkers, that are problem solvers, that love a challenge, and also that just ultimately love working with their hands. That's what this is all about, because 80% of our program is taught hands-on.